Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see events here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to view events in Salesforce, there are several ways to do this depending on the type of event you are looking for, such as meetings, calls, or any other scheduled activities. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the app launcher. That's going to be beside setup, wherein you can see that there's going to be a colored buttons. From here, you want I'm gonna type in the calendar option. You see that? And of course, all I have to do is view the events that is displayed on a daily basis, right? Weekly basis, or monthly view. You see that? For example, this one. I'm gonna put in something like an event here. All right. If you don't have an event, I'm gonna click on save. I'm gonna forget about it. All you have to do is click this, and basically that's how you see the events using the Salesforce calendar. And of course, you can simply use the arrows or date picker to navigate to different dates. Click on event to see more details, such as time, location, description, and any associated records like leads or opportunities. Another option that you can do is go again to the app launcher. This time, you might want to check if you have like a tasks right here or activities. You might find a combined tab called My Task and Events. If you have that, you might want to hover down here on your dashboard. You see, these are going to be the... Now, you can also view the events in the Salesforce mobile app. You can simply open the Salesforce mobile app on your device, tap on the calendar icon to view your events, and of course, you can navigate dates to see events for different days. Alternatively, once you are on the task or activities section, to see a list of events in the app. All right. Now, these methods can help you access and manage all the events that you have here in Salesforce. And of course, it will allow you to keep track of meetings, calls, and other activities effectively. If you wanted to check your calls, just click on this voice calls and you would be able to see the events that you have made here in this section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.